Hey, Nicole here, overcaffeinated math coach, and I have heard that maybe lesson 9 is not every first grade teacher's favorite lesson. So if that describes you, in a couple of minutes, I want to go over three things. One, what is the math behind lesson 9? Two, what language tweaks or models can we use to help support our students' understanding? And three, how can we create more opportunities for students to practice this strategy that we have introduced in these 5 sessions? All right, first, what is the math that underpins lesson 9? Lesson 9 continues to leverage all that work that you've been doing with the idea in kinder and first, with the idea that a teen number is 10 and some more. And it also leverages all that work that you've been doing with decomposition of numbers. Sometimes we call those number partners. Okay, so there's also this other really big idea about distance from a 10, which eventually that thinking is going to become distance from any friendly benchmark number as they move up. So you are teaching your students such a powerful strategy that they can then expand on in future years. Okay, so what are some language tweaks that we can use to help our students understand? Well, we've been teaching students that 17 is 10 and 7 more. All of our teen numbers work this way. And a retired math coach, Jenny Stavon, coached me way back in the day that I can use this idea of real name and nickname with my students to reinforce place value. So the real name of 17 is 110 7 ones. And I know I held up 5 fingers. 110 7 ones. But the nickname is 17 because 110 7 ones is a mouthful. So 14, real name, 110 4 ones, nickname 14. I can leverage that up too. 176, nickname, one real name is 100 710 6 ones. You get the idea. For models, the lesson, especially on the quiz, I know uses kind of a number bond a lot. They decompose the subtrahend into using a number bond model. And that's great. I would like to suggest that you make this decomposition and the fact that we are, and this distance from a benchmark really super clear with a number path or a number line. And since you're adults, I'm going to use a number line. And we're just going to say, okay, the 17, the real name is 110 7 1, so I can jump back. It's 7 away from 10. And the number partner for 9 with 7 is 2, so 10 minus 2 gives me 8. So 17 minus 9 is the same as 10 minus 2. All right. More opportunities to practice. You can always leverage these start slides, your show it another way day. Just right when you're about to finish, say, hey, this is 15. What if I wanted to subtract 9 from it? What is the distance from 15 to 10? Well, the real name is 110 5 1, so the distance to 10 is 5. Okay, what is the number partner? 5 and 4 make 9, so 10 minus 4 is going to give me 6. So 15 subtract 9 is 6. You can just record that really fast and move on with your day, and you've created another opportunity to practice. And I just really want to encourage you, because if your students can do this, then they can do this. 176, jump back to that 100 with the 76. 100 subtract 20 is 80. 1 7/10. The distance to the friendly hole is 7/10. Decompose 9/10 into 7/10 and 2/10. A whole minus 2/10 gives me 8/10. Or where it gets really cool is when students are adding and subtracting integers. 5 plus -8 Well, 5, the distance to the friendly 0 is -5. I can decompose -8 into -5 and -3 and 0 like there's the answer right there, right? 0 minus 0 minus 3, right? My answer is -3. So I'm not trying to seduce you into loving lesson 9. I'm just hoping that maybe you got a little something to make this lesson less of a bear for you.